I paid $28,000 for it.
7 acres?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right, can you tell me a little bit about the property?
Well, I really don't know other fact of vacant. I paid $28,000 for it. And I still have the blueprint for the guy house that builder was supposed to build, and he didn't. He come to find out he went bankrupt. Left me in a lot of debt.
Gotcha. Okay. Sorry to hear about that.
And I was there for $47,500 for it.
You're asking $47,000 for it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you already have like the building permits and everything like that?
No, that thing I said, well, supposedly paid for all this stuff, and he went bankrupt, and the finance company called me and told me that they don't finance vacant land, and I told them that he's building a house on it, and they says you checked it out, and there's been nothing done, no permit taken out, and that he went bankrupt. That's how I found out about it.
Gotcha. Okay.
Then I said I'm not going to move down there, so I stay here in Michigan.
Gotcha. And ever since, you haven't done anything to it?
No, nothing at all.
Got it. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. And are you the sole owner on the property, or is there somebody else?
Yeah, well, me and my wife.
Gotcha.
Terrible.
Okay, awesome. Have you guys already try to tap into the public utilities, or is that still something that needs to be done?
Oh, there's nothing, as far as I know, except with them well.
Okay. Have you tried to get the property perk tested?
No, I never done anything with absolutely nothing.
Gotcha. Okay.
Very next door, right across the street, and everything. Or as I know.
Okay.
I haven't seen it. I've never since I bought the property.
Oh, okay. So since you bought the property, you haven't been there for a while?
No, I haven't. Yeah, probably. Well, definitely, I haven't been since 2005 when the pandemic hit. When I came back up here, for a while.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Do you have any further plans with the property, or what's that looking like? Any other plans with the property?
No. I'm not gonna move down there.
Okay, so you don't plan on building on there anymore? Nothing like that?
Oh, y'all. I just want to sell it.
Okay. If we can make you an offer of around, like $25,000, and then we cover closing costs, no realtor commissions, and would that be something that you would consider?
How much?
25?
No, I can't go down that. Well, I'll tell you what. You do own the property, worth a little more than what you own there. If you own it now, I'll let you have it for $45,000. Closing and everything else.
Is that 45?
40. Go any lower than that.
Gotcha. Okay. I understand. It's just that 45 is a bit of a stretch for us comparing, just looking at, what we previously paid for properties around the area, and what properties are going for right there right now. As investors, we're looking to obviously buy something that, makes financial sense for us. I tell you what, I can confirm with my team. If we can do around like 28, we cover the closing costs, no realtor commissions. I think that definitely puts us in the right foot with this particular parcel right there. taking into consideration that, we'll still have to do a lot of work on it. If I can get that approved with my team, do you think that would be something that you guys would be willing to move forward with?
How much did you say? I didn't catch the guy who was noise going by my house at the time. How much did you say?
28,000, and then recover the closing cost.
No, thank you. No, 45 the least I do.
45 at least. Gotcha. All right. I'm not sure if that's gonna work for us at this time, but if anything changes, I can definitely reach back out and let you know.
Mm-hmm. That about 40 people that some people are trying to get it made. They say same thing, they'll get back with me. So if you do, it's gotta be 45,000
Yeah.
or the least of the least up.
45. Okay. All right. If anything changes on my end, I'll let you know then.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Bye. Guys, it's really that simple, man. Unfortunately, we weren't able to make a deal on that one. He was asking for market value at 40. Well, he said 47 first, then he said 45. That's market value, guys. I couldn't do it. And as you guys can see how I made my offer, if market value is 47 or 45, I basically kind of cut that in half a little bit, and I made my offer. So unfortunately, in that situation, he bought it already at too high of a price. So if I like the offer I made was really low, considering that he was going to lose a lot of money on it. So yeah, so that's kind of where we left off. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, it's really that simple talking to sellers, guys. And this is a text lead, okay? I texted him, he called me, and then we just had that conversation. Real simple, real easy. So don't hesitate. Go ahead and make offers today, because the more offers you make, the more likely you will get to a yes. Let's go. Yeah, no problem. I was just wondering, were you still interested in selling that one?
Oh yeah, selling, yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, perfect. Gotcha. Yeah, that's why I wanted to give you a call about, or that's why I reached out initially about if you were interested in selling the property, and so I can get a little bit more information about it and potentially make you an offer if it's something that you would consider.
Yes. Charles, with the last offer I got, 430,000 with my last offer.
Oh wow.
Anyway, even if it was 400, you wouldn't be interested. It needs work, but it would be, I decided not to go into all that. I'm just gonna get rid of it. Anyway, so that's way out of what you would want to offer. I mean, if you wanted it.
I mean, it's definitely still worth a conversation, right? If I have my information correct here, it's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. Is that right?
That's right.
Okay, gotcha. And I know you mentioned that it needs a lot of work. What do you mean by a lot of work?
Well, I would think everything is working, but I would think you would want it updated with the electric and all that, everything, So, I mean, it's fine, but I would just think someone would want to update it. That's all.
Got it. Okay. When was the last time that you've done any updates to it?
I did electrical maybe a year ago, I guess it was.
Okay, about a year ago you did some electrical work.
Yeah, they came in and did that. I guess it's been about a year.
Okay. And regarding the bedrooms and the bathrooms, when was the last time you've done any updates to that? Oh, okay. So it's been, like you would say, over 20 years?
I had all of it was replumbed, I guess 3 years ago now. Oh yeah, it was like thousands of dollars. So yeah, the plumbing was redone. I'll say, I guess 3 years ago now. Maybe 4, but not over that. So all the plumbing redone. Just updated, All right, so I'm sorry, the last thing you asked me.
Right. I was last thing I asked was about the bathrooms and the kitchen. if you recently, maybe like in the
No,
last 5 years?
No, everything's the same.
Okay. And is that the same thing for the roof as well?
The roof is the same roof.
Gotcha. Is it over 15 years old on the roof?
Probably around that. You want to put a new roof on it, I guess.
Okay. And is it currently vacant then?
It's vacant, except when I go back and stay there.
Okay, so you stay there from time to time?
Yeah.
Gotcha. What about the flooring and stuff? Is it carpet or is it wood flooring in that area?
It's all the natural wood, except the den is wall-to-wall carpet and something like that. The den is has a huge den. What is it?
Yeah.
20, no, how many feet you take? It was huge den. The den is wall-to-wall carpeted. I don't know what's under it. I would imagine the original. I don't know. To say imagine it would be wood, but I don't know. The house was added on to by the original owner, and he put a huge den and master bedroom upstairs above it, which of course has a bathroom. And so the master bedroom is also huge. I don't know, 20 feet by. That's really large. Okay.
It is.
Yeah, the den.
It's really credible.
Yeah. And okay, what else would you like to know? You have to
Gotcha. And
located 240 area code. Anyway.
yeah, we're located in Maryland.
Oh, I lived in Baltimore. Loved it. Anyway.
Yeah, it's a nice place. Baltimore. We're a little bit closer to the DC area.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. Gotcha.
Well, never lost, but I got transferred. But when I was, of course, Baltimore.
Well, out of curiosity, what happened with that initial offer that you guys were offered?
I wanted 500, and I've decided I'm just gonna sell it. I'm not gonna go up to 500. That's why I didn't take it.
Gotcha. Okay. And would you consider any other offers?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. When I was
Like not less than 350. I think that's the last offer. Okay.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, and it's interesting you mentioned that because from my initial research and understanding of the property, we were interested in making an offer at 350. With us covering closing costs.
Okay. Now I had the swimming pool, which is awful last time. Anyway. And I had the garage court, and we'll call garage.
Mm-hmm. Gotcha.
Okay. So you saying 350?
Yeah, 350. We'll cover closing costs. We'll buy it as is, and no realtor fees or anything like that. No extra fees on your end as well.
Okay. Well, I guess you want to see it, so I will be there next week.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Let me know if you can give me like 2 days in advance or around that area, and I can be able to have a schedule where we can meet you at the property.
All right. Okay. Thank you. I have an appointment. Okay. All right. Thank you, Kenny. Thanks for the call. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Gotcha. Are you talking to anybody else about the property?
No, just on the call. I haven't advertised at all. I guess people just look at it on something. I've got to go. I have an appointment.
Gotcha.
All right. For the call. Okay.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you. We'll talk soon. Bye. That was weird. She just 350. I mean, I think 350 is a good price based on what is selling in that area for that specific property. ARV is looking at 600. I'm gonna lock this down. Let me text her. Yeah, man. Make offers, make offers, make offers.